Mehendipur Balaji Temple. In the sleepy little Dos district of Rajasthan, thousands of devotees turn up at Mehendipur Balaji Temple to get rid themselves of ghosts. One of the most mysterious temples in India, Balaji is also famed for being probably the only one place in India where exorcism by priests is still carried out. Kamakhya Devi Temple, Assam. Every year during monsoon, the goddess menstruates and the temple is closed down for 3 days. It is also when the Tantric fertility festival is celebrated here. Till the 4th day when the temple reopens, it is also said that the underground spring that flows in the scantrum of the temple turns red on these 3 days. Devji Maharaj Mandir, MP. During the full moon every month, the Devji Maharaj Mandir in Madhya Pradesh is the place where devotees come to get rid themselves of ghosts. Kodangalur Bhagwati Temple, Kerala. The Kodangalur Bhagwati Temple witnessed a bizarre 7-day festival celebrated annually. People hit their head with the sword, blood pours freely, and they enter the temple hurling choice, abuses, and singing lewd songs about the Devi. Offerings are not made in the generally fashion, instead, they are thrown at the statue of the goddess. Venkateshwar Temple, Andhra Pradesh. The Venkateshwar temple is the abode of Lord Vishnu, a god that accepts human hair as a symbol of sacrifice. Nearly 75 tons of hair annually and earning more than 6.5 million USD, it is one of the most richest temple in India. Stambeshwar Mahadev, Gujarat. Located close to Vadodara in Gujarat, the Stambeshwar Mahadev temple is one of the most mysterious temples in India. The weird thing about this temple is that it can be visited only during hours of low tides. In hours of high tides, the temple is swallowed up completely by the sea. Brahma Temple, Pushkar. The weird thing about this temple is that it is the only temple of Lord Brahma in the world, despite him being the holy trinity of gods in Hindu mythology. Kal Bhairav Nath Temple, Varanasi. The mysterious thing about this temple is that the offering that are made to God here is alcohol. Alcohol is poured directly into the deity's open mouth and the same is offered to devotees as prasad. Unlike other shops outside temples in Varanasi that sell flowers, sweets as an offering, the stalls outside this temple offer only alcohol for sale. Devaragattu Temple, Andhra Pradesh. Another ancient temple of India, Devaragattu Temple at the Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh, is famous for the Bani festival located on the border of Karnataka. Every year on the Shahra, devotees from both the states gather in huge number with lathis to hit each other on the head till midnight. Nidhivan Temple, Vrindavan. Counted among the top mysterious temple of India, Nidhivan temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna. It is believed that the trees present here are the gopis that depict the symbol of love. Several locals believe that after sunset, Lord Krishna arrived at temple to do Ras Leela with the gopis.